Now, the next kind of phase for me is that I could be plotting here the data, but in fact, I'm actually just going to show some of you, like some of you might want to find the mean of the data. So a good way to find the mean of the data would be to print our, first of all, let's find the mean, which is going to be equal to the sum of the temperatures. And now that you've got it into numbers, you can do this. Sum of the temperatures divided by the length of what's in the temperatures list. So just print the mean here. And we get 21.125 is the mean temperature. Make it look a bit nicer. Mean temperature. You know, so that's a bit of analysis there. You could be getting things like that if your project is leaning towards that. You know, find the mean, very simple thing to do. Or you could find the sum of the numbers, or different things. So sum function there, or length, very handy. So that's the sum of all the numbers divided by the number of numbers in the list. So again, just something there, a bit of an aside.